Hi, Mike Wilkinson, the value sales expert, inviting you to join me and take the value challenge. This program is all about mastering the value challenge, and the challenge itself is about understanding, communicating, and delivering outstanding customer value and getting paid for it. So, if that is something that you would like to do, then take a look at the site, take a look at what is included in the program, and come and join me and go on the value journey with me. So, if you ever find yourself under pricing pressure, if you begin to think about your products and services as commodities and are struggling to break out of that commoditization mindset, if you maybe have a tendency to talk about your products rather than having customer first conversations, or even if you feel that sometimes you're losing business that you should have won because you believe you have the best solution, then this is the program for you. Take a look through the site. It'll explain exactly what is included, the journey that we will go on together. And I really look forward to helping you, both understanding the steps of the process, but more importantly, perhaps, the how to do it. So knowing what to do is great, but knowing how to do it is greater still. But even with those two things in place, it's still not necessarily the answer. The answer comes from putting those two things together and putting them into practice. And if you need any help and support in doing that, do please get in touch. I do have ways in which I can help you go along that part of the journey. But in the meantime, click the link, join the program, and all for the price of less than a cup of coffee a day, you will begin your value journey to understanding, communicating, and delivering great value to your customers and getting paid for it. Keep selling the value.